Our friends from EUCOS for sending me this, the ultimate selfie stick. And what's great about the selfie stick is that it even comes with a remote control so that you can take pictures, right, and do the remote control if you don't have an iWatch, right, from up to 10 meters, 33 feet. But the other thing that's impressive about this, well, this is really well made. This is the last selfie stick you'll ever need to buy, because this is 100% guarantee. They stand behind their word that this is so well made that you will have no problems with it. And everything's thought about. So check this out. I'm gonna show it to you like this, right? So that you see the composition of this tool, right? It's a very important tool. This is studio quality made. So this is made for professional use, right? And the materials are amazing. It looks beautiful, which is important, right? You know, when you're a professional, right, you want to go up there and look professional, not just take good pictures, but you also want to look professional. Now, right here, you see this? This is the remote control. So you connect the phone, right? It pairs through Bluetooth, right? And you connect this, and you can use this as the remote control so that you can take like pictures of for up to 33 feet. And this is the clamp, and they stand by this clamp. They know that this clamp is not going to let go of your phone. And basically you, right there, you make it as wide as you need to widen, and then here you can control the pitch too, right? So you can turn it this way, right? You put it there, and then right here you can, if you want to have that orientation, let me set it up with a phone there, right? So this is up to 3.7 inches wide. So the big iPhones you can put there, right? You can put it right there. Mine has a case, so it makes it even wider, but still, you see that? It secures it really nice, right? Here you tighten so that it doesn't move in this direction, right? And then it extends up to 60, right? So let's take the phone off. So you know how that works. You could put it like that, or you could put it like that, right? In whatever orientation you want, right? Now, let's take this out. Make this so we can. Okay, now, let's open it up. This is a selfie stick right here, like that. But this also opens up, right? So if you open it up, it's a tripod. It's not just a selfie stick. It's also a tripod, you see? And the wider you put it, then you tighten it real nice right here. It makes it secure. You know, when you have a tripod, if you can do it, right? The wider you set up this, the better. The safer it is for your phone, right? So make sure that you are wary of that. So you put it real nice like that. This is made out of like real thick plastic. The shaft is made out of metal. And then let me have you take a look at it, how it looks when it's open. See that? Everything's really nice and made. And you can put it in whatever angle you want. You see that? This goes both sides. So this side or this side, it doesn't matter. And then you can put the phone there and rotate it as you wish. So there you go. Thank you to the guys at EUCOS for doing this. It's going to be put to a lot of good use. And of course, I forgot to tell you the remote goes in there. And now let's make it back into a selfie stick. You put it like that. You lock it. You tighten it up right here. And then you got the selfie stick back to where it started. Super, super, super recommended.